What's up, y'all? It's your girl Dio Noel, and welcome to Food Waste Friday, where today's topic is going to be human sustainability. Now, last week I hit you with a little mini rant while I was at the ocean and how I feel about biodiversity and human sustainability, and when we think about centering the human, what that means for the rest of life that exists on this planet. So let's jump right into it. The fact. Very simple, y'all. We're all connected. All life on this planet is interconnected. The human species is embedded in these ecosystems and is dependent on every other species on the planet. I will say it again. The human species is embedded in ecosystems and is dependent on them just as every other species on this planet. So each species has a value and a right, okay? A right to exist, whether or not it is known to have value to humans, okay? This is why I talk so much about biodiversity. It offers ecological support through functioning ecosystems. It supports the supply of oxygen, clean air and water, the pollinations of plants, which allows us to be able to even grow food, pest control. All these different ecosystems working together gets us all of these different things. Wastewater treatment, just to name a few, and a host of other things. And so, if we are really to sustain ourselves as humans, we must sustain the environment that is around us. Meaning that we must be responsible, especially with how we dispose of food waste. So let's just jump into a family-friend activity. What I want you to do, come on now, we're talking about ways in which we can increase biodiversity. Go visit a farmer's market in your neighborhood. Go by yourself, go with your family, shop, eat local. These are all things that help us to increase biodiversity with the sort of farming and sustainable farming practices. That is what you can do for fun today on this Food Waste Friday. Shop local, eat local, grow your own food. Basically, take your power back through the production of food. And so we gave you a fact. We gave you some fun. And now it's time for freestyle. Human, and how we live and survive all depends on the plan. So check it. There's this thing about human sustainability that centers us in the Anthropocene. But please understand that we're all connected to the living vibrations of the organisms. Respect and blessed be those that honor the land. Eat local, eat fresh, then support the hand that feeds you. Maybe it isn't equal when you consider police brutality and access. Take your pick of the litter. It triggers all of the systemic oppression connected to food. Environmental racism is the lesson. Let's get to the connections. We are so interdependent, dependent on the producers and decomposer segment. It is a food web. It is a food chain. There is a food lie. We cannot sustain. Food crisis and insecurity is a result of the system's capital greed. You need biodiversity in all things and not the artificial you pumping out your veins. So let's pump back into the earth. Centuries of knowledge that we all know support the dirt. We give our food scraps back in the soil you stacks, and biodiversity is here for the clap back now. Help us put back that which we extract. Help us put back that which we extract. Call us on the phone and we'll hit you back. Save your food scraps. Save your food scraps. Call us on the phone and we'll hit you back. Save your food scraps. Save your food scraps. Rethink trash, y'all. Happy Friday.